TREKOLOGY airbed in a very compact box. This is the unboxing. This is the first time I am using this air mattress. So I'm gonna take it out and see what we have inside this box right here. So this is it, very compact. That's the unit, and it comes in a nice carrying pouch so that you can reuse this. Oh, I like it, perfect. All right, let's see how easy it is to inflate. First time ever, and first time using an inflatable air mattress with a pump built in. That's a special thing about this. It has a pump that's included inside this set. So we'll be able to set it up right now without instructions. Let's see if I can figure it out. This one opens up like that, and there is the mattress, very compact for an air mattress. Okay, let me see. Here we go. So this one has these wraps that wrap along itself. Take it out. You have these strap here, and you have another strap here. That way you can fit it easy inside the pouch. So airing it out to make it this flat, that would be interesting how to do. But let's see how quickly it is to inflate the air mattress for the very first time here. Okay, the pump is included, and without instructions, let me see if I can figure out how the pump works. So here it is. There's the mattress, and we have the pump here. So this is where it closes. Perfect. And you have like a release valve, I believe. So I'm gonna keep this thing closed. That way we're gonna not leak air. Push this, open this. So there's a pump, very nice. Does the pump come out? Yes, it does. So the pump is removable too, and it is rechargeable with USB-C. And when you put the pump in this placement, the great thing about it is that you see it has the pass-through to connect to the air mattress. So there's no tube or any piping you need to do. It's just very convenient. The pump is part of the mattress. Wow, that's really nice. So there is an enhancing, there's inflate. I don't even know what enhancing is. Oh, that's just to turn it off. Oh, what's this? Oh, just like one time. But if I want to inflate, I push this, and that's the inflate. Let's start it. This is real time. No editing. Let's see how fast it is to inflate. Can I close this? I probably don't want to close that. I probably want to have it use air from outside to inflate. It's inflating right now. This is so much better than the old beds where you have to manually pump it. You just let it inflate. This is real time, no editing. So let's see how long it takes to inflate this TREKOLOGY air mattress. Very simple. The pump is built in. No tubing, no piping, just like that. And I understand what the other button is for. It's for enhancing, meaning air mattress over time, they always start to deflate after a couple of hours. You know, when you sleep, usually it lasts the whole night, but in the morning, you might notice it has a little bit of flatness. That's when you push enhancing just a little bit to give it a little prime instead of running the full blasting. Okay, I can see why that button is there. And that button is also the off button. If you notice, there is a deflating button too. So that's running the pump in reverse. That's also very nice because in the past, when you wanted to deflate an air mattress, you would open this and you have to just like push on it and roll it around until all the air comes out. This one, there's a button that deflates it. So that's really quick. So far, so quick, so fast. It's already almost taking shape right there. It's almost ready. Now I wonder if I need to stop it. Oh wow, look at that. Instantly, it's got the shape, the tone changes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it off right there because I think that sound feels like it's good. So I'll turn it off. I can leave the pump in here. There's no mess to worry about. Everything is part of the unit. I don't have to forget the pump. I don't have to not put it away. It's all together. And let's test out. Let's plug this back in so it's nice and neat like that. And how well is this air mattress inflated? Oh, wow. It's nice. It's a solid mattress. Oh, that's cool. And you have this top layer that's a little bit more grippy. You can put a mattress cover over it. Well, there you go. A nice simple air mattress. It's solid. All right. Well, that was pretty quick. Just for informational purposes, what's the bottom line? Just the same thing. So very cool, very nice, love it. And to deflate, it's the same thing. You don't need any tube, any anything else other than just push this, and push this button, and that will deflate it. It runs the pump in opposite and sucks out all the air, and that's it. It's so quick. I'm gonna keep this thing inflated. So I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna inflate it one more time, right there. Super easy, I can't believe. Oh, and by the way, so the topping off feature, so you can hear the pitch change right there. That's how you know it's ready. And if I want to kind of prime it a little bit more, I can just do this, right? Just like this to enhance it. If you want just a little bit more air, that's cool, very cool. I just love the fact that this thing just stays there and it's perfect. Well, there we go. This is the TREKOLOGY air mattress. This thing is awesome. Right here, TREKOLOGY, oh yeah.